Hello everyone. Yeah, in the previous video, we had talked about how to simply open the Chrome browser. That's all. Okay, and the only the Chrome browser only opened, but we didn't open any particular site. What is our test case is saying? Verify Google application is opening or not. That's all, right? How to open the Google actually? For that, what you have to do, you have to use one method is driver dot get off https www.google.com. Now let's run the program. Right click, run as test engine test. Yes, Google is opening, but the window is opening, but the problem here is with our input. What is the input? We provided the input is 4 times W. That is what? Delete 1 W. So we need to be very much careful over providing the URL. Here you go. Right? Fine. That is fine, boss. But how the things are, what is this actually WebDriver? Oops, concept perspective. WebDriver means what actually? WebDriver is nothing but it's an interface. Okay, that's what. I will explain the separate topic about, the oops concept also. No need to worry. I'll be covering that. This is the interface. This interface having the method declaration. Okay, and who is implemented? This Chrome driver is implemented that actually. Okay, Chrome driver is a class. They implemented whatever the method declared in the WebDriver interface. Okay, fine. Okay, but similarly, I want to launch Edge browser also. How can we do that? Simple. Okay, before we go to that actually, so in this way we can run the application, run as test engine test. Is there any other way we can run our my test case? Just to go here, right click, run as test engine suite. In that way also we can run it actually. The one way we directly selected the test case and right click. The first way is I selected that my test case, right click, run as test engine test. I did it. Otherwise, go to that test engine.xml, right click, run as test engine suite. In that way also we can run it. Okay, this is another way. There are n number of way to a test case. Okay, I will explain that. Fine. Okay. Now, how to run this particular test case using this? How to open the Google in the Edge Chrome browser. This is the Edge Chrome browser, right? This is the Edge browser, we can say. Edge browser, right? How to do that actually? This Edge browser, this browser version is 84. Similarly, just go to the Google and Edge driver, Selenium Edge driver. Simply you can type Selenium Edge driver. It will go to here. If you go to here, there is a two things, right? One is the Microsoft Edge, another is the Microsoft is legacy. So you will get the confusion that this one and this one. This is going to be deprecated or obsolete for some, within maybe they are planning to make it as obsolete. So don't use this one. Always use this one. Okay, fine. If we go to here, click it on this one, let it open. Oh, sorry. Here, if you go down, you will find it here. What is the version number? We need to be very much careful about the version, because even they released it for dot version also. 84.44145.135. Let's go here. 84. This is the 84. Okay. In the 84 also, what they mention actually? 4147. 4147. So we can use this one, no issue. This version we can use. Okay, fine. So here also you will get the doubt whether it is a 64 or this one. You will find it here, 64, right? So we can go ahead with this one. People will always doubt about that actually, but 64 means which one, including me also sometimes. 86 means 32 bit. 64 means 64 bit. Okay, so we downloaded this one. Okay, just to download and extract it, or you can cut it and put it in your this folder. Right click here, extract to here, and you will get the one, right? So right click, get that. Now how to create the test case? Same copy paste here. I am going to change the name as using edge. Okay, right click, copy, same thing, just go here and paste it here, that's all. Okay, and what about this one? You have to change the name as edge. What about this one? You have to change the name as edge. Let's try running this program. See, your test case is opened with the help of the Edge. Right? It is opened with the help of the Edge. Right? So this is very easy. So the only the difference is there is a different exe. This is Chrome driver.exe. This is Edge driver.exe. That's all. Chrome driver, Edge driver. But common is web driver. So interface, now you will understand that. What is interface? Interface means they have only the declaration. What is the declaration? Simply they will have the get method, that's all. The way of implementation, they are not going to mention anything. WebDriver will contain only the get, that's all. Get means what get? We don't know. Then who will be implementing? Chrome driver. It means Google team, they will implement in their own way. Microsoft team, they will implement this get method on their own way. So the implementation is different for Chrome driver, implementation is different for Edge driver. Okay, but both are referring this same interface. Okay, now I want to run it these two things at a time. Can I run it? No problem, we can run it. Let me close this. Right click, run as test engine. So first is Google is opening with the help of the Chrome browser. The second is Google is opening with the help of the Edge browser. Here you go. So the total test cases run is 2 test cases. 2 test cases are passed. So total test case is 2. That is nothing but the test engine method count is 2. How many class we have? Only one class. The class name is sample test. How much time it took it? 23.404 seconds. This is what? Simple setup, Selenium setup. This is very basic for, this is only for the learner level, okay? I will be taking advanced level slowly.